Hi everyone, welcome back to styleoblender, and in today's video I'm going to share three different beautiful designs, and I created those designs from one sari. So first I'm gonna give you a very brief look to this sari. This is a very beautiful satin silk sari, and it has Banarsi borders, and this is the pallu I am showing right now. So my main fabric for the shirt is pallu, and I created three looks, basically two looks. First two are similar and the third one is different, and I created all these beautiful designs from one sari. And there is one more, a newborn design I stitched, and I will share that design in some other video. But this is a very beautiful fabric. This is a very soft fabric, and if you are from the place where there is a springtime or winter time, you can definitely create these looks. And even though if you are in the hot summer time, then you can create this look just for the sake of the pictures, especially for the special events coming in, like Eid is around the corner. So you definitely can use your old beautiful sari and create these beautiful pieces for your little ones. Alright, so first I'm going to show you the design number one, and this is a very beautiful open style shirt, and it has like collar, and I didn't use any stiff material for the collar because kids, they hate it. So for the front I use the border pieces and the Banarsi pallu fabric, and for the piping I used the old scarf fabric. I didn't buy anything to create this look except the buttons, yes, and elastic. That's all I bought. And everything else I use it from sari. So the first look I added the sleeves, as you can see in the first look, but for the second look I didn't add any sleeves because this one was for 3 years old, and the first dress was for 7 years old. So that's the only difference. And for the 7 years old I created the border around the hem area, but in this one I didn't add any border around the hem area. Hopefully you can see that, and if you get the closer look, it is so nice and beautiful. The fabric is so beautiful. You don't even have to add any lining in this. This is that kind of a soft and nice material. Yes, if you want to add some kind of depth or some kind of flare on the lehenga or the skirt part, then yes, you have to use the lining. Now let's see the third design. This is the third design, and this one is for 6 months old girl, and I create, it's very summer friendly, and this is very beautiful. So for the frock I use the panel cuts only, and I'm going to share the tutorial of this frock very soon. And for the trouser I added border, and I created this trouser from the sleeves of the blouse. Yes, you heard it right. So for the third design I didn't use anything extraordinary. I didn't go overboard because I want to keep it very simple. And first two designs, the shirt is heavy, but the sharara is not heavy. They are simple, they are plain, and at the same time they are very beautiful. So these are the three beautiful looks I have created from one sari, and trust me, from the leftover pieces I created one more outfit, and that one is for newborn baby, and I'm sure going to share that design with you very soon, hopefully in my next one or two video. But hopefully you enjoy this video, and please do let me know in the comment section, or you can come on my Instagram, and you can DM me over there as well. All the links are going to be in the description box. So that was just the one sari and 3 beautiful designs. You can create these looks on this Eid, or any other party is coming, or the wedding is coming, or anything like that. You just add more fancy butter in the middle of the open shirt and you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully you liked the video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.